Hello everybody, today we're gonna be renovating this kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen hasn't seen any repairing for the last 20 years. I called Man and Van and they took out all the furniture from the kitchen. After that, I start taking off all tiles by using SDS hammer drill. Some of the walls had 2 layers of tiles. I have taken them down both layers. There were unneeded plasterboard fixed on the wall, as it'll be better without it. I've taken them down as well. After removing the wall tiles, I cleaned up kitchen and disposed around 70 bags of rubbish. I start taking off old floor tiles. Of course, there were 2 layers of tiles which has been taken off. Unfortunately, floor was perfectly level, so I didn't have to do self-leveling compound on the floor. After the room was clear from the tiles, I started taking off the tile adhesive from the wall by using carbide rasp plate attached to the multi-tool. I've tried several ways to do it and carbide rasp was the best way. After that, I applied blue grit on the wall to make better adhesion to the walls. And I begin to tile the floor, starting from the corridor, previously making sure that the floor is clear of rubbish and the dust. In this job I used Mapei wall-on-floor tile adhesive. And I usually use self-leveling spacers as it makes the job better and quicker. After the tiles were fixed and the adhesive dried, I removed all spacers and grouted with white Mapei grout. After laying down floor protection, I assembled the kitchen units and installed the oven and gas hob. It's not hard to do assemble furniture if you decided to do yourself. Just follow the assembling instruction and let me know in comment section if you want me to do assembling tutorial video. After the kitchen unit assembled, I start preparing the door. I installed the hinges and I had to make holes to install the door handles. And I repeated the process with the second door. And I decided to install the sink. I cut the space for the sink on the worktop by using skill saw and jigsaw. After mounting the top kitchen unit on the wall, I aligned and attached the cabinet doors. And I built this unit myself with a door to cover the boiler. I filled all the places it needed and sanded down by using sanding machine. And after that I put 2 layers of white paint. Once part of the kitchen units and worktop were in place, I began installing wall tiles since some of the tiles meant to go on the worktop. There were so many pieces to cut, so I used grinder and tile cutter to cut them. After I finished installing the kitchen units and worktop on the other side of kitchen, I have finally begun tiling the last section of the wall that needs to be tiled. Voila! Our bright, clean and modern kitchen on budget is ready. Here you can see final result of my job. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel.
Zach the Builder, where dreams take flight. Subscribe today and build it right. Zach the Builder.